Gates open, they're up and racing. Kimagure draws for your lead. Hot Gossip in between runners. Then by the rail moving up. Mutiara racing in fourth. Black Label, Chuchinelli and Flying With You. As they race towards the last 900, we have entry number 2, Mutiara, Incomed, Hot Gossip. In between runners moving up, Black Label, Kimagure, Chuchinelli, and Flying With You was left behind. As they race towards the last 600, now we have Black Label takes command. In between runners, Hot Gossip, Kimagure moving up on the outside as they race to the last 450. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Hot Gossip, Kimagure is on the outside. Black Label is by the rail as they turn for home. Kimagure, Hot Gossip, Black Label is by the rail, Mutiara, and down the stretch they come. We have Hot Gossip in between runners. By the rail, Black Label, Kimagure is on the outside. Hot Gossip, Black Label, Kimagure is on the outside. Hot Gossip, Kimagure, Black Label by the rail, and leading the finish line, it's going to be Hot Gossip, Black Label, Kimagure. Then comes Mutiara, Chuchinelli.
Okay, 4